Okay. Some regard this as the most difficult thing in this editor, but it's really not very hard. We want to make a Arpeggio. It's a simulated chord. We have our sound here. And it's wobbling a bit. I just want to remove that. That's the filter. I want to make it more simple. Okay. The Arpeggio is on Shift A. It has 3 bytes. The first one is transpose. So this is the bass note, and if you write 1, it's 1 tone up from the other note. The next byte is a jump. You can jump around inside. You can jump to line 4, line 6, whatever. And if I make an Arpeggio here, a chord here like 0, 3, 7, then my first Arpeggio will be called instrument number 40. But the next one, it's only free from number 3, so the next one will be called 43. So that can be very hard to remember. So instead of this, I'll make a jump table in the beginning and put my data underneath it. It's much easier to manage. So I just jump down to line 6. Jump to line 6, use sound 0. And then down in line 6, I put my data. 7, 3, 0. And then you have to have a loop, and loop is plus 80. So this chord is 7, 3, 0. And it doesn't work, as you can hear. There's no chord here. And that's because the waveform, when it's Arpeggio, you have to add 80 to the waveform. So 80 plus 40 is C. So it should work now. You press Shift A to go to the Arpeggio. You have 4 speeds. This is the speed 0 plus instrument number. Speed 1 is 40 plus instrument number. The instrument is 0, so it's easy. So we try. This is a bit slower. And then 80 is even slower. And C is the slowest one. Let's just take 40. Sounds good. That was, let's see, major or minor chord. We want to make 2 different chords, okay? Same bass note, G3, but Arpeggio number 41. So you have 40 and 41. 41 isn't made, but we make it. There's a room down here from number 9. There's room for a new one. So you write 9 and it's the same sound and the same speed. And we go down, we make a copy of the first one we have. And we play. Now we change this chord so it becomes different. Okay. Let's try to make some more action. It's just the random stuff I'm typing in. Just want some action. The filter is not good. It's killing the sound. This let's make it a bit bright. Then you hear that it's keeping the tone, but you can set the release, like try 7A. Let's try 7B. It's just to demonstrate the release command 7. And this one, it's 7-0, then it stops the sound immediately. And of course 7F, it's a maximum value, and that means it's very slow, but let's try 7-9 instead. We could stop them all immediately. Let's try just to hear the difference. It's really great command, you know, it can be used for a lot of good stuff. Okay, back to the Arpeggio. You can make, we'll just make a new one. I just erase everything here by pressing Shift F. I write 40 and then just the G note. And it's 3 tones, you know, but I can make it longer. I make a 5-tone chord. 7 5 3 C. C is 1 octave from 0. So this is the same tone but on 2 different octaves. So there's really no limit to what you can do. Just in case you forgot, we can make it faster. We just remove the 40, subtract 40. Or we can make it really slow. So that's the Arpeggio program. Make your little jump table up here. Jump down to 6, that's the first chord. Jump down to B, that's the second chord. Because then you can use the commands just like 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46. So just make your chords and then they are available on these command numbers.